Hello, everybody, and thank you for tuning in. Today, I want to talk about basic foundational supplementation or essential supplementation. Now, these are the products that you need to take every day for the rest of your life. Yes, for the rest of your life. Now, if you've been watching some of my videos, you know why humans are sick. And it's for two reasons only. It's because we're toxic and deficient. So the second part of that, the deficiency, we with this particular protocol will make you sufficient, and your body's physiologic processes will be exactly where you want them. So I hope you've downloaded the materials that we have. It consists of 3 pages, and I want to talk about those really quickly. The first page is a spreadsheet, and what we have on the spreadsheet at the very top, you'll see it says essential, and there's 4 supplements that we need to take to become sufficient. The first one is a product called Catalin by Standard Process, and Catalin is a multivitamin. Matter of fact, it's a multivitamin that was first produced in 1929. You can't buy a better multivitamin. One, because it's whole food supplementation. It's made with whole foods. It's actual food. Now, the next 3 products down are by Innate Choice. And I feel that Innate Choice just does a superior job making these products. The first product you'll see is an omega-3 fatty acid. And most of the time we get that from a fish oil. Second, the next one down from that is a probiotic, and a probiotic are those good guys that we need in our gut to help break down our food. And the last one there is vitamin D. Most folks have heard about vitamin D, and it's very, very important, again, for our overall system health. Right below that, I'll draw your attention to where it says, if no gallbladder, meaning if you had gallbladder surgery and had that removed, this is very important. You're going to want to take a product called Cholecol. Cholecol is a refined bile salt, and what that means is you can break down the fats, and that's very important for absorbing your omega-3 fatty acid. If you take a fish oil and you have problems digesting it, you'll really want to consider taking Cholecol, because that gives the ability to digest that product like it should be. Next part down on that spreadsheet, also consider one of my favorite products that is in my regimen, along with the essential nutrients, is a product called Herba Vital, and it's made up of 6 different herbs. I always like adding a herbal product to my protocols. Also, there's a product called B Core, which is a complete B vitamin, and it's not only from animal sources but vegetable sources. That's part of the wisdom of Standard Process, those combined things. And last but not least, if you have some digestive problems, meaning after every time you eat you get bloated, gassy, you have stomach distress, you'd want to take a product called Zypan. Okay, that's page number 1. Let's draw your attention to page number 2 for basic foundational support. And what I've done here is I describe in a little more detail why these products are important and essential. And it gives a description of each one of those. Why do I do that? Because it's very important. You know why you're taking these products. You'll have better outcomes and better success. The third page we have is called Best Practices. And what I talk about there is we talk a little bit about the reason for the pill count, the length of time, why you need to take that. And we also make some other references there in terms of things that you want to do for lifestyle modification. We all know when we're living congruently with our genes because we're very healthy and things are going great. But if you're eating a typical American diet, the standard American diet, acronym SAD diet, you might consider changing some of those things to different types of foods that you're eating. You know, get rid of the processed foods, get rid of the sugars, get rid of the breads and pastas and that kind of stuff. It'll only help out this foundational support. Also, there's a little disclaimer there, and I'll be quick about this. Even I am a doctor, however, I'm not your doctor. In this case, I'm your coach. And these protocols work very, very well. I've been using them in my practice since 2007 with great results. And the folks that do the essential supplementation often will see changes in some of the symptoms that they've had. So fantastic place to start. Always start with the foundational support. You'll be very, very happy that you did. Thanks for tuning in, guys.